Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we want to find the value of y. Given that you have y plus 2 equals 1 over y. Then let's have it to be solution. So from here, let's multiply through by 1, or let's multiply through by y in order to eliminate this y. So we have y times y plus 2 equals y times 1 over y. So from here, let's open the bracket from here. Y times y, this will give us y squared. Y times 2, this will give us 2 plus 2y equals this y times 1, it will be y over y. So from here, we have y squared plus 2y equals y over y, it will give us 1. Then let's rearrange this expression. When we arrange this expression, we take this 1 to this side. So this implies we are going to have y squared plus 2y minus 1 equals 0. So from here, if this equals 0, we want to find all the possible value of y. So from here, it is clear that the value of y will be 2 because of this power 2. Then to obtain the value of y, let's consider the quadratic general formula. So we have to note that we have y will be equals minus b, positive or negative, square root of b squared minus 4 times a over 2a. Then where we're going to have a to be the coefficient of y squared, which is 1, then b be the coefficient of y, which is 2, then c will be the constant of quadratic, which is minus 1. So when we substitute everything here, we are going to have y equals b here will be minus 2, positive or negative, square root of 2 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c minus 1 over 2 times a, which is 1. So from here we have y minus 2, positive or negative, square root of 2 squared simply means 2 times 2, which is 4. Then minus times this minus, it will be plus. 4 times 1 is 4 times this, it will be 4 over 2. So from here we have y equals minus 2, positive or negative, square root of 4 plus 4, it will give us 8 over 2. So we have y minus 2, positive or negative, square 8, we can have 8 as 4 times 2. So here will be 4 times 2 over 2. So we have y minus 2, positive or negative. This will be root 4, then times root 2 over 2. And the reason for this is that when we have root of a times b, this always equals as root a times root b. So from here we have y, and mind you that 4 is also a perfect square, minus 2, positive or negative, root of 2 squared times root 2 over 2. So this power 2 we cancel out this square root, So we have y minus 2 positive or negative 2 multiplied by root 2 over 2. And this will be minus 2 over 2 positive or negative 2 multiplied by root 2 over 2. So y will be minus 1 positive or negative 2 divided by 2 will be 1. This will also divide by this will be root 2. So from this side, we got the value of y to be equals this. Then let us go and verify if the value, we have y plus 2 equals 1 over y. Then we have y to be minus 1 positive or negative root 2 if this will satisfy this expression. So from here we say we have y1 to be minus 1 plus root 2. Then y2 to be equals minus 1 minus root 2. So to now check, we have y plus 2, we say equals 1 over y. Then y equals this. You can now have this as minus 1 plus root 2 from here, then plus this 2 is going to be equals 1 over minus 1 plus, minus 1 plus root 2. So from here, we have this as minus 1 plus 2. This will give us 1 plus root 2. Is it equals as this will be minus 1 over 1 plus root 2. So, because of this negative value that we have here, it is very clear that this will not satisfy each other. So, we have this not to be satisfied. Now, also, when y equals minus 1 minus root 2, so we have minus 1 minus root 2 then plus 2 is going to be equals 1 over minus 1 minus root 2. 2 minus 1. So this will give us 1 minus root 2. Then it's going to be equals 1 over minus 1 minus root 2. So from here, we can have this as this 1 into 1 plus root 2. We factor minus outside times this 1 minus root 2. Then it's going to be equals 1. Let's see. This times this, it will give us as 1 square. Then this times this minus root 2. This times this plus root 2. This times this, it will give us minus root of 2 square. That's going to give us 1. Minus outside, this will cancel this. 1, this will cancel this, we have minus 2. So going to give us 1. Minus into 1 minus 2 to give us minus 1. So going to be equals 1. Minus times minus will be 1 equals 1. So therefore, x equals this satisfied.